Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow Zara to access your location while using the application so that you can use many helpful functions on the app, such as the click and go option, finding the nearest Zara store to you, and so on. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then go to the profile icon, which is the fourth option down below. Now scroll to the right and tap on settings. Now click on device settings, which is the second option. Now if you would like to allow Zara to access your location, tap on location and then click on the relevant one. I'm going to tap on while using the app, which is the third option. So now you allowed Zara to use your location while you are using the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.